My name is Yugan. I am studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena's Groups of Institution in Chandapura.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards written from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dharmendra, Shivarankaran, Masti, Venkateshayanga, V.K. Gokar, Yuvar Anantamurthy, Ganesh Kana, Chandrasekhar Kambar.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yashagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Vanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilavarni, Vaigai, Yamuna. National festivals: January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Golden Sun Temple, Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads: Isavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Ruvataranyaka Upanishad.
Dashavatara Lord Vishnu.
Dashavataraf God Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Kurma Purana, Garuda Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Manda Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brahma Vaivarta Purana, Padma Purana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, B.D. Jatti, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Shankardaya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, K.R. Narayan, H.J.K. Abdul Kalam. ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ, ರಾಮನಾಥ್ ಕೋವಿಂದ್, ಜಲಸಿ, ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಮುರ್ಮು.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Small state Goa, large state Rajasthan.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bida, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri. Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world: Taj Mahal, Crestoliana, Petrol Jordan, Great Wall of China, the Roman Colosseum, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Sucheta Kripalini, Kitturani Channamma, Adi Channamma, Odake Obava, Vijayalakshmi Pande, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಗುಲಾಬಿ ದೇಸಾಯಿ, ಚರಣ್ಸಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್, ಬಿ.ಡಿ. ನರಸಿಂಹರಾವ್, ಅಟಲ್ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ವಾಜಪೇಯಿ, ಎಚ್.ಡಿ. ದೇವೇಗೌಡ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಗುಜರಾಲ್, ಮನಮೋಹನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ.
Names of Rutus.
ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
Hindu lunar months.
ಹಿಂದೂ ಲುಡಮಸ್, ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಮದಪದ, ಆಶ್ಲೇಷ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಪಂಗುಣ.
Main agriculture products.
Main agriculture products: rice, meat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur. New Delhi.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi; Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad; Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai; Chennai Airport, Chennai; Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraja, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavarsha, Padakali Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachamarajodeya, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights. Rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to religion, cultural education rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chanakya dynasties, Chola dynasties, Hoysala dynasties, Maurya dynasties, Pallava dynasties, Gupta dynasties, Rakshakota dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveri, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, O.B. Baba, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Ekana Saha, Ram Visvesvaraya, Sardar Bose, Subramania Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anup Rotkar, M.G.K. Abdul Kalam.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul; Argentina, Buenos Aires; Australia, Canberra; Asia, Vienna; Bangladesh, Dhaka; Belgium, Brussels; Bhutan, Thimphu; Brazil; Colombia, Bogota; Denmark, Copenhagen; Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo; Egypt, Cairo; Finland, Helsinki. Thank you.